Some people think that programming sliding head machines is notoriously difficult. Multiple toolpaths, multiple channels, it's a collision-rich environment. But today I'm here with Alec from Star GB to talk about NC Assist and how it can allow anyone to program any of the sliding head machines in the staff range with ease. Alec, thank you so much for joining us today.
You're
Much
welcome.
appreciated. So let's talk about NC Assist. First off, why does NC Assist exist? You're a company that's renowned for developing great machines. Why software?
Well, having a great machine is one thing, but if you haven't got the skills to program it, it's not going to make many parts.
Yeah.
So we've had this software for over a decade now, various iterations, and obviously for the Mac event, we've launched the latest version, 2026.
Yep.
So yeah, it's a huge step change from previous versions, to be honest.
So what, at its heart, what is NC Assist allowing your customers to achieve? What are they doing, the value they're getting from it?
It's a template-driven conversational programming system. Okay, so it allows you to stitch programs together very easily, very quickly. The programs, when they're generated with a very clear format that's very easy for the end users to follow, really.
And obviously you say that you're releasing a new update, an exciting update. Can you talk me through some of the update sort of improvements that are in that latest version?
Well, we're always adding new models and new templates to create different toolpaths, but with this version, we're including a brand new 3D simulation engine. So it's a huge step change from previous versions. So before we had quite a basic X and Z line only backplot feature. Now we've got full 3D simulation.
Wow.
With a whole comprehensive tool library to support it. So there's lots and lots of goodies in this new version for our clients.
And how does that affect your customers? I'm guessing a simple 2D backplot doesn't really tell you the full story, right? 3D, far better.
It certainly doesn't. So it's taken a little bit of while and quite a lot of effort behind the scenes to generate the code and map all the machines. But now we can simulate tools with different orientations. We can even simulate tilt working plane operations as well for the several machines in our range that have got B-axis added to them. So yeah, it's like I say, it's a huge step change, and I think they've done a fantastic job with the software.
And of course, that simulation piece really is going to give your customers that much more confidence and trust that when they hit the cycle start button on the machine, good things are going to happen, as opposed to the opposite, which can be disastrous.
Well, as you say, our machines are very compact. They're very quick. Lots of things going on at the same time because of obviously a multi-channel machine. So I think this will definitely give them more confidence and more security when machining those complex features on our machines.
Okay, so that's the headline act in this latest release. Anything else?
Well, it's got, like I say, it's got built-in tool library. You can cross-section components. It's got a cycle time element to it as well. So if you're quoting a job, you can knock the program out fairly quickly, and you can see in the simulation window, have a good indication for sure how long it will take to actually produce that part on our machine.
And let's not underestimate how challenging that is to calculate those cycle time estimates. It's not simple, is it? It's quite a complex thing to do.
It certainly isn't simple. But yeah, go too quick and you might not be able to make the job in that time. Go too slow, you might not be able to get the work. Yeah. So it's a critical thing in the sliding head game.
And I know that we were talking earlier about the fact that NC Assist now supports multi-channel, so 2-channel, 3-channel as well. That's a new addition in this release, or has that just been updated now?
It supported 3 channels for a while, to be fair. The latest improvements, like I say, we now support Y-axis tools. We've got a lot of machines, SR range, that have got tools pointed in the Y-axis, so it supports that. It supports our G10 function, which is basically a tilt working plane function, so it now supports that. So yeah, a lot of work has gone into this. It supports our macro programming feature where we can call up one of our macros. For example, we do a lot of engraving on our components these days. so you can see the engraving simulated in the simulation window as well. So
I think those macros are key, right? Because there's still a lot of people using those macros in traditional sort of manual programming. They now want to take that to that next level with this conversational software to really give them those productivity
but
boosts.
when you're running those macros, it does take a time to get the position set on the component and such like. So with this version of NC Assist, you can do that at your desk,
Yeah.
in front of this software, so it will be more efficient to stitch those programs together.
Yeah. So obviously this latest release, you can tell there's a hell of a lot of goodness in there. I mean, that 3D simulation is a key thing for me, but there's clearly an awful lot of other technologies got into this release.
Like I say, we're always adding new features, new functions. That's not just driven by Star staff, it's driven by the customer as well. For example, you might have a feature that's really difficult to program. We often get customers calling in, can you make me a cycle for this? Sometimes we do have to revert to your traditional macro programming. Other times we can create a cycle in NC Assist, make it really, really easy to program because it's a conversational system basically.
Yeah.
And we will release that to the market.
And I think that's really key. It's clear. I mean, it's the first time that you and I have met. I've had a lot of good things from my team about Star and your attitude to being customer focused. I mean, that screens out to me at the time that we've been on this booth. So I think it's really important that the people out there watching this know that at your heart, you're there to support your customers and delight them.
Oh yeah, everything's customer driven. We do try and keep a high level of customer support. And if we can make their lives easier by putting more and more features into software like this, that's what we will continue to do.
Yeah, and obviously you're going to continue to develop the product.
We
I
are.
imagine lots of people watching this video now thinking this looks brilliant for me. They've just invested in a slide-headed machine from you guys, and this is an absolute no-brainer to invest in that. If somebody wants to get hold of this software and use it, how can they do that?
Just go to our website. There's a free upload. You can trial the software for 30 days. On the website, there is 15 videos which support all the different features, the new features that we've included in this software. So it's really, really easy. Just go to www.stargb.com, look for the NC Assist icon, click away, then you'll get the software in no time.
Sounds fantastic. It's the first time I've heard of NC Assist. I'm familiar with the world of software. So for me, it's like, yeah, this looks like an absolute no-brainer. It's that bridge, if you like, between traditional programming on the control without going to a fully fledged CAM software. Maybe it's over-engineering it, and it's not really specific to the needs of your particular machine. So this sounds like an absolute great tool. And I go back to that thing we said at the start. I mean, I think you summed it up beautifully. The sole reason why NC Assist exists is to allow...
Well, we can teach anybody with software tools like this to run sliding head equipment.
Yeah. I mean, I've never driven a sliding head machine before. I'd be intimidated if you asked me to do it now. But seeing this software, it feels like an absolute no-brainer, really easy to do that. And it looks a great tool. So Alec, thank you so much for your time today. I do appreciate it.
You're welcome.
And if you're sat there watching this video, think about that website, get hold of that trial. I mean, a 30-day trial, think of what you can do in that 30 days. Try the software for yourself, get your hands on it, and I'm sure you'll be way more productive with your Star sliding head machines in the very near future. But with that, thank you again, Alec. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next video.